So today we have Anurag ji. So, sir, welcome for accepting our invite. So we are going to be making a small documentary for students who are aspiring to become computer science engineers. And this documentary is not going to be seen only by class 12 students, but also students who are doing engineering. So like from second or third year students. So we'll be asking certain questions based upon your specialization, and we hope that all of you students would benefit out of it. So sir, before we start, let us understand that which company are you working in? What is your area of specialization?
See, I am working with CEBS Worldwide. It's an IT multinational company, and I am having around 10 years of experience into development, especially into Java development programming.
Very nice. So sir, can you be a little more specific, like what do you do on a daily basis? What kind of projects are you doing, or what kind of software technologies are you working on? Is it core Java, is it advanced Java, certain frameworks?
Okay, so I have around total 10 years experience. I have started my career in 2010, 2010 में शुरू किया था. Since I have been heading a team of developers now, but what all my team, since starting from 2-3 years experience people to 7-8 years experience people, ये लोग क्या क्या करते हैं, I will tell you about that. So we basically working on the core Java platform using some frameworks like Spring, Hibernate and such. And these are the platform which are being working for the e-commerce projects nowadays for Fortune 500 companies. Companies, can I take some names also?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
If we talk about Bank of America, we talk about aviation industry में Emirates Airlines, the online ticketing booking system, all the e-commerce development and the money transaction part we are developing for these kind of companies. So the role involved for the fresh kids to develop work on the core Java part, and the senior people are working on the integration with the advanced Java and the frameworks part.
Okay. So if a student, if a BTech student knows basic Java, that means he is good to be recruited in your company.
Exactly. What I say कि अगर कोई भी fresher है 3 साल तक अगर वो काम कर रहा है तो he is being judged by the basis of core Java part only. So this is the base of any project, any technology.
तो सर जैसे अगर हम बात करें एक फ्रेशर में इन टर्म्स ऑफ जावा क्या क्या चीज़ें इंटरव्यू के टाइम आप लोग चेक करते हैं उस बच्चे में कि उसको ये आना चाहिए तब आप नौकरी दे देंगे?
He should have a understanding of the concept. Okay. Not theoretically किताब में क्या लिखा है. He should know about the implementation part by the real world example. चाहे वो OOPS है, चाहे वो encapsulation, polymorphism, how it works, what is basically it is.
So logic is what you want.
Logic. रियल वर्ल्ड एग्जाम्पल के साथ ये तो जावा टेक्नोलॉजी पार्ट की बात हो गई, पर अगर किसी को प्रोग्रामर बनना है तो ही शुड हैव टू बी वेरी गुड एट द लॉजिक पार्ट.
ओके. तो सर जैसे इंजीनियरिंग में जो लॉजिक के फंडामेंटल्स के ऊपर कंसंट्रेट करा जाता है, तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे बच्चों को कि वो स्पेशली लॉजिक की अलग से ट्रेनिंग लें सो दैट दे बिकम सक्सेसफुल इन डेवलपिंग लॉजिक एंड पुटिंग लॉजिक इनटू रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स इन द इंडस्ट्री?
एग्जैक्टली. पहले तो मैं कहूँगा लॉजिक इज अ थिंग विच इज़ एक्चुअली बाय बर्थ, बट यस देयर आर सर्टेन चैलेंजेस. कुछ ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं जो क्लास 11, 12, 10th में बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं कर पाते, बट दे आर इक्वली गुड. इफ़ वी कैन ट्रेन देम ऑन द लॉजिक पार्ट फ्रॉम क्लास 12th और बीटेक फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर, हम उन्हें वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं इन चीज़ों पे. दे कैन कम अप विद द फ्लाइंग कलर्स.
नाइस सर. सर मुझे सर ये बताइए कि what is the are you working on a product side or on a services side, और किस साइड जो है बच्चों को चूज करना चाहिए, किस में ग्रोथ ज़्यादा है सर?
See, both are the sides of a single coin.
Okay.
If you are a good programmer, both the product based, services based, both companies are doing good nowadays. In fact, there are a couple of companies who are working on both the things, products and the services too. If you develop a project, if you develop a product, so you are giving them the services, and there are a lot of channel partners of IBM or Adobe tools. They are choosing a lot of companies to become the service partners.
Okay. So I mean both are good.
Both are equally.
तो सैलरी वाइज अगर हम जानना चाहेंगे, मतलब स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन द ग्रोथ पैटर्न. So what is the start salary which is considered to be good? Because 12th का बच्चा भी aspire कर रहा है to be an engineer, जो second third year में वो area of specialization choose कर रहे हैं out of the area various area of specializations that we have been discussing in our counseling session with the students. So 12th के बच्चे को in Java either from the product or services side बीटेक करने के बाद किस सैलरी पे नौकरी मिलती है, 3 साल बाद वो कहाँ पहुँचता है, 5 साल बाद वो कहाँ पहुँचता है, 7 साल बाद, and 10 years down the line where he should expect to see himself if he is doing okay in his job?
See, this question comes in context to the language what you choose.
I'm talking about your language, sir.
Exactly. If I talk for the Java programming language, it has always been the hot cake in the market. Now Python is coming up. But in every product based or service based concept both are been implemented. अगर मैं e-commerce पोर्टल की बात करूं तो अगर उसमें एक चैटबॉट होता है जो मेरे क्वेश्चन का कस्टमर का डायरेक्ट आंसर भी देता जाएगा कि मैं टिकट बुक करना चाह रहा हूँ, मेरा पेमेंट नहीं हुआ, वो क्वेरी सॉल्व करेगा. तो जावा में अगर मैंने बनाया है तो इसमें पाइथन AI मशीन लर्निंग ऑटोमेटिकली इन्वॉल्व हो रही है.
Okay.
राइट. और मैं स्टार्टअप की बात करता हूँ तो 3 lakhs, 2.4 to 3 lakhs is a very decent package to start up in the market. All the big companies from the top brand name you choose like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, they are starting with the package of 3 lakhs.
Okay.
Range. It's a very decent package to start. पर बच्चों को सबसे पहले important चीज़ है ये देखने वाली which company they are gonna work and what is the profile what they are getting. अगर पैकेज थोड़ा कम भी है, it's around 2.40, so they can start with, but should be in the core development.
So profile, in terms of profile, sir, please elaborate कि profile में क्या student should select based upon the first, second or third selection option जिससे कि उनका career growth ज़्यादा अच्छा हो सके. And sir, another I would again ask this question कि sir third year, 5th year, 7th year, 10th year क्या industry patterns के हिसाब से क्या salary growth मिल सकती है?
Correct. अगर बच्चा अगर चूज कर रहा है टेक्नोलॉजी को तो पहली चीज़ तो बच्चे का एक माइंड सेट है व्हाट आई एम गुड एट.
ओके.
कोई बच्चा कहता है आई एम नॉट गुड इनटू द प्रोग्रामिंग, तो ही शुड नॉट एंटर इनटू द प्रोग्रामिंग. राइट. उसको बहुत अच्छी काउंसलिंग की ज़रूरत है जो कि एक अच्छे कॉलेज से और एक अच्छे मेंटोर से होनी चाहिए जो कि ट्रेनिंग टाइम में मिलती है, क्योंकि बच्चों को अक्सर पता ही नहीं होता है where they have to move.
Sir, I guess this channel is doing that work. So in the videos that we are going to be producing, so you all can see that from the top people like Anurag ji, you can have that kind of information and you can see and you can match your abilities with your interest and then select which area of specialization that you want to go into. Sir, please.
Correct. Or the second question you asked for the salary growth. If somebody start at a right place with the right skill set, in 3 years he can be up to 5 lakhs.
Okay.
In 6 years he can be up to 7 to 8 or 9 lakhs. And after 9 years, the sky is the limit, more than 12 lakhs.
Very nice, very nice. So when it comes to IT, CS and IT, so I would say that salary growth is not a limiting factor in the growth of the person.
Exactly.
So what other frameworks that are there in the market for which resources are very high, and if students learn those resources, they can enter into that niche segment, and what is the salary structure like in those areas? Sir, if you can.
Exactly. In fact, if I talk about Java only, Java is upgrading their frameworks. Java 8 is launched now. तो उसमें बहुत सारे challenges आपको अपग्रेड होना पड़ेगा, Java certifications लेने पड़ेंगे. And one thing I would like to add, you talk about the salary part. 12 lakh is an Indian salary I'm talking about. If you got an opportunity to work within a big short company, a good company, with an MNC, so you will definitely gonna get an on-site opportunity.
Very nice.
This 12 lakhs can be multiplied by the dollars.
Into 7.
Into 7. Exactly.
84 lakhs.
Exactly. Right.
Very nice, sir. So, sir, in terms of Java, we would not ask you the question of what good companies that are there, top 3-4 companies, because I guess all companies are working in this language, right? Okay. So, sir, it was very nice talking to you, sir. And if you could please suggest us certain links with which students could study and understand and find out that which are the top frameworks to study while they're going to be studying core Java, so they can interview in those specific frameworks. And for class 12 students, sir, if they can practice certain demo programs on Java and understand and play their hands upon whether they are good at it or not, if you could please suggest that, we'll be very grateful,
Few
sir.
links I know, collegecoach.com
Okay.
is a portal. where
Coach
you
College,
can-
sir.
Coach College, yeah.
Sir.
So where students can come up across and give the online examination and study online tutorials. And whether they can request for the demo classes or some crash course classes to be conducted by the expert, it can be done online.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming and addressing the students. So here we have Anurag Dubey ji from CEBS Worldwide, and he is an expert in Java. So we thank him for coming and addressing all the issues and all the students' concerns that are there on Java. Thank you.